Hey guys, so today Linguini cosplay. This is my wonderful face. And sorry for my dirty hair. Here I'm making a line that he has on his forehead. I'm shaking this eyeliner glue because we're gonna erase our eyebrow. I'm shaking this concealer just to put it over. Here I'm making my mouth. And I'm trying to line over my lids because you don't want to see your skin tone, you only want to see black and red in this area. I'm shaking this eyeliner because I want this area so dark. I'm shaking this red pencil. I'm gonna make his hairstyle. And I'm about to use a hair wax to pull my hair away because he doesn't have hair in here, well, around his ears. I was in that part like, oh my god, I'm a man, and a wonderful man. I almost forget to do the hair tattoo, the heart tattoo. So this is the final result. This is my sexy rolling pin. I'm about to hit you with this. Bye guys.